Hello, Bill McRae here. It's been a little while since I made a video. Not to panic. I'm still here, and I hope you're doing better than I am as far as videos. But I wanted to share a little bit with you about why that's been the case. Two things that are currently in development. It's been a year I've been working on putting together a text marketing business, and we had some really substantial setbacks this summer. Looks like we're overcoming those, and we will have something available in the next 90 days. And we'll be looking for resellers who can resell our text marketing into really any business vector you want to. We'll provide the leads available and the means to send messages to them. More about that down the road. Traffic is basically my main area of expertise in working in. I've been working extensively in blog and social media since about 2008. In 2009, I came out with some products that would connect Twitter and blogs together and grow your Twitter following, and it worked extraordinarily good for developing traffic. Until Twitter decided that they didn't want us using that app. It was a violation of their terms of service after we started doing it, not before we started doing it, but once they figured out that we were smart enough to figure out how to do what we were doing, they decided they didn't want people doing that, so we were literally shut down, which is too bad because it worked great. And things have continued to evolve in terms of how you generate traffic for blogs, which is still probably, other than email marketing, the blogs are probably the other best thing you can do, unless you're really dedicated to doing pay-per-click and you learn how to do it right. If you can really learn pay-per-click, then all this other stuff is not necessary. But pay-per-click is expensive and time-consuming and difficult. And trust me, I do Facebook ads, and they change like every hour on the hour. They're changing the format. So you never know what's going to work, and you have to be on the game literally all the time to make any money out of it. Media buys are huge, and you can make a $250,000 mistake. It's just a different game for a different segment. It's not what the average person can do. But email list building, we got Bulletproof Email Marketing Service. It's a dude to help you solo ad business. We'll teach you how to sell and resell traffic. And so email marketing is going to be around as long as, for a long time. I'm just going to say forever, but who knows where we're going to be. It's now 2020, 2030. Hey, maybe, be beamed into your brain or something. Text marketing is also going to be around for a long time. But websites that have content that are being posted to them on a regular basis, like a blog, is the best way to generate traffic other than those other ways. And it is the best way to actually, set up passive income, especially if you're good at using YouTube together with blogs, together with the social network. But there's a lot more to it than we provide with our Amplify traffic system or with our YouTube CV system or anything else. It's more complex. It's complicated because there are a number of different things you need to be doing to generate traffic on your website. And there's a number of ways of doing it. Some work better than others. So I spent the last 4 months going through the process of finding all the software, they're called plugins for blogs, that truly work. And we are now taking and consolidating that into one plugin that will let you go in and activate those things that truly work for free, free versions of everything, so that you got one piece of software that you can port into your blog, configure it, follow our free training, and know that you're going to start generating high quality convertible traffic to your website. So that's what I've been working on. I would look for that to come out the end of January, and I would look for the text marketing service to be available through myself or through my resellers by the end of February. So we're kind of gone full circle. We're back right to where we were a year ago. Still selling lots of solo ad traffic. Keep on buying. It's a difficult market. Lots of people doing it. The nice thing about offering the tech services, it will give you something unique. And then consider, getting involved in building your own websites, setting up passive income products, which is really a great thing to do where you can get a few $100s a month off of each website and build 10 websites, and you can get your house payment that way. So you guys have a great day. Keep an eye out. We'll update you when we're ready to go live.